The MQ-47 X-47B is an exciting leap forward in drone technology being developed by Northrop Grumman for the U.S. Navy, poised to enhance naval operations significantly by augmenting the air warfare capabilities of the Navy's F/A-18 Super Hornet strike fighter squadrons. This advanced unmanned aerial vehicle features cutting-edge stealth capabilities and a unique tailless design, allowing it to operate undetected in contested environments. Equipped with sophisticated sensors and artificial intelligence, the Unmanned Combat Air System, UKAs, can gather real-time intelligence and conduct surveillance missions, ensuring that naval forces have the upper hand before launching from the carrier's deck. A crucial intelligent surveillance reconnaissance ISR node that uses combat network technology to give the Carrier Strike Group (SG/AHEU) a tactical advantage in any scenario. The X-47's ability to integrate seamlessly with existing Carrier Strike Group systems enhances situational awareness and allows for quicker decision-making. The MQ-47's long endurance and versatile payload capacity enable it to perform various missions, from reconnaissance to electronic warfare. This drone represents a new era in maritime strategy, empowering the Navy to counter emerging threats while reducing risks to personnel. The X-47B Unmanned Combat Air Vehicle, UCAV, is designed to enhance the capabilities of the U.S. Navy's carrier air wings, specifically the strike fighter squadrons that fly Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornets. Below are just a few force enhancements of the MQ-47 UKs. Integrating the X-47 with U.S. Navy strike fighter squadrons represents a significant advancement in naval aviation, leveraging unmanned systems to enhance the effectiveness and safety of crewed aircraft. Unmanned Combat Air System. The U.S. Navy's Unmanned Combat Air System (UK's) program aimed to develop a next-generation unmanned combat air vehicle capable of operating from aircraft carriers. The concept was driven by the need for enhanced operational flexibility, reduced risk to pilots with greater ability to conduct missions in contested environments. The UK's program sought to revolutionize naval aviation, integrating unmanned systems into the fleet to complement and enhance manned operations. The Northrop Grumman X-47B, developed for the U.S. Navy, marked a significant advancement in unmanned combat air vehicle UCAV technology. The project began in 2001 under the Navy's UCAV program, with the goal of creating an autonomous system capable of conducting carrier-based operations. Grumman was selected to design and build the X-47B, leveraging expertise from previous programs like the RQ-3 Dark Star. The Navy's X-47B Unmanned Combat Air System demonstration, UK's D team received the 2013 Robert J. Collier Trophy at the U.S. National Aeronautic Association Awards ceremony April 9, 2014. Rear Adm. Matt Winter, who oversees the Program Executive Office for Unmanned Aviation and Strike Weapons,